FitLab Pittsburgh podcast, back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. Today we're talking about some exercises you can do at home to strengthen the core to work up to some advanced plank variations. So if you spend any time on Instagram, you've seen a lot of people doing a lot of planks, all kinds of things going on in those planks. They're lifting legs, they're lifting arms and legs. If that strikes you as something that's a little bit beyond where you're ready to go right now, here's a couple things you can try at home. Start on hands and knees, fairly neutral spine, and go for a little bird dog. So one leg back, one arm forward, alternating. Goal here is to keep the hips and shoulders as level as possible. Eventually, arm and leg coming off. If you're not ready, don't push it. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.